Hey guys, okay, it's me and Caitlin again. Caitlin, we're back with another vlog, and today we are going. What are we gonna do? Do you want to go see Annabelle tonight?
Gotta get some because we're about to break down on the side of the road.
She's putting in her cone. She doesn't want us to see. Oh, their chicken. Did she see it?
That lady saw me. She was like, oh my god, that kid's watching us. Turn the camera, Madison.
She didn't even see it. She walked right past it. She walked right past the sign. Look at her. She walked right past the sign. Or she saw it. She's not telling us. I have no idea. I think she doesn't see it. The one to wait.
I'll be driving next to this car.
Okay, let's wave at this person. Hi. Roll my window down. Yeah?
I know you have that sign on your car, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't want to honk, but I thought it.
What? What happened? What sign? What is you? You put a sign on my car.
I rolled it up while he was talking to me. It was so rude. I was like
Did
this.
you put a sign on my car that says
No.
honk? Where is it?
Look at all these people have been looking at you this entire time. That's why that guy went like this in the parking lot. Everyone's been reading the sign, but nobody's honked.
That's so funny. Where is it? On the back? Did you make this while you were inside?
That's what I read.
Taking off your makeup?
Yeah.
It's just so poorly made. Hey guys, so we're at the movies now.
We're going to see Annabelle Comes Home.
We're gonna pee ourselves. Well, we'll talk to you after the movie and tell you how it goes.
We'll video in between little
Oh,
screens.
my ticket. Okay. Bye everyone.
Okay guys, so we are in the movie theater. It's super nice, relaxing. We're watching. What? They got these new chairs and I haven't even seen them yet. Have you seen these yet?
Like twice.
I haven't even seen them. When did this one? Oh.
Like rolling back with my feet up in the air.
There is no way you're around it, 'cause everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know